Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn polynomials together, step by step. In this chapter, we study polynomials, expressions built from powers of a variable. We'll learn how to find their zeros, two powerful theorems for division and factoring, and the algebraic identities that make expanding and factorizing quick. A polynomial in X is a sum of terms, each a number times a whole number power of X. For example, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. The numbers in front are called coefficients. The degree is the highest power of x in the polynomial. Degree 1 is linear, degree 2 is quadratic, and degree 3 is cubic. A plain number on its own is a constant polynomial. A zero of a polynomial is a value of x that makes the polynomial equal to 0. For a linear polynomial ax plus b, set it to 0 and you get x equals minus b over a. To find the zero of 2x plus 3, set it equal to 0. 2x equals minus 3, so x is minus 3 over 2. Substituting back gives 0, which confirms our answer. To test whether 2 is a zero, simply substitute it in. 4 minus 6 plus 2 equals 0, so yes, 2 is a zero of this polynomial. The remainder theorem is a lovely shortcut. When you divide a polynomial by x minus a, the remainder is just p of a. So you can find the remainder by substitution, with no long division. Dividing by x minus 2 means we evaluate p at 2. 8 minus 12 plus 8 minus 1 gives 3, so the remainder is 3, found in a single step. The factor theorem follows naturally. X minus a is a factor of the polynomial exactly when p of a equals 0. A zero remainder means a clean factor. Check whether 1 is a zero. 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 equals 0, so by the factor theorem, x minus 1 is indeed a factor of this cubic. These algebraic identities save a lot of time. The square of a sum, the square of a difference, the difference of two squares, and the product of two simple binomials. Memorize them. You'll use them constantly. To factorize x squared plus 7x plus 12, look for two numbers that add to 7 and multiply to 12. That's 3 and 4. So the factors are x plus 3 and x plus 4. To recap, the degree is the highest power. P of a equals 0 tells you a is a zero and x minus a is a factor. The remainder on dividing by x minus a is p of a, and the identities make expanding and factorizing fast. Well done. Great work. Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.